Let me quickly show you how to clear the ChatGPT history. If you have a lot of chats piled up, or for whatever reason, if you're trying to delete the history of ChatGPT, let me show you how it is done. Now, there are two ways to do it. Either you can delete them manually or clear all of them at once. To clear each chat individually, you'll need to click on the three dotted line on the right hand side of the chat, and then you can click on the delete option. This way, it's going to remove or clear the chat of this particular chat only. If you want to remove or clear the entire chat history of this particular account, you can head over to the settings, click on this menu here, and then head over to settings. From the settings of ChatGPT, head over to data controls, and right here you'll see the option called delete all chats. Now this is the section. If you click on delete all of the chats inside of your ChatGPT account will be removed instantly. So just click on the delete all option, click on confirm deletion, and there you go. All of the chats inside of this particular account now have been all removed. So that's basically it on the way that you clear the chat history in ChatGPT. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.